We can add multiple conditions in a single statement, like we did or operator, and operator, or we can use any assigning operator. Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another tutorial of UGET Actions. Today we will continue the discussion of statements, right? We have passed the statement here if and passed the single condition here. We can apply double condition also, that a is less than 12, so display this. Or we can say if a is less than 12, or type or sign, it's an operator. Or means this, if this condition not works, try this condition, right? So what we will say, a is, what we will do here, we will type here a is equal to 12, then print this value. So what we have done, we have just type here a is less than 12 or a is equals to 12, then print this a. So let's run and see what it will return. It returned 12, right? So we can use these like this, or we can use this like adding the brackets to it, right? And also adding the brackets to this condition and passing the or in the middle of these two conditions, right? We can add these condition like this, and now we again run it and see what it will show you. It will display 12, right? So this is how we will add the conditions or add the condition in the single statement. If we are using here, I am changing here the value of a equals to 12 to 11 to show you that if we have to add the values, multiple values or multiple statement here, what we will do, right? We say if a is less than or less than equal to 12 and a is less than 13, and is an other operator that used to say that this is the compulsory, that if this condition is true, this condition is also true, then you have to print this statement, right? So let's say it's it will display correct, both statements are correct. Let's run it and see. So it print both the statements are correct. You can add these statement like this, or you can also add another statement like this is the one condition here, right? This is the all over one condition. What I am doing here, I am creating here an or operator, adding another condition and say or. Let's say that this condition is false. I am adding here less than 12, right? And adding here if a is equal to 12. What it shows, that this condition is one condition, right? Because we add here the bracket, starting bracket and ending bracket. This is the one condition, and then we apply here or. We said if this condition is true, print this message. If this condition is true, print this message. But if this statement is false and this statement is true, print this message, right? We can add multiple conditions in a single statement, like we did or operator, and operator, or we can use any assigning operator to identify this condition or the statement is true or false, right? Okay, this is the very basic steps of Swift programming language. We have covered variables, data type, constants and statements. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this video or enjoy this video. You can share your feedback under comment section. If you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UGET Actions. Stay connected with us. We will be back with amazing Swift tutorials. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.